Those birds in front of my house. I wonder what that means.
They said she get off at 4.
And they run on the road.
No, get all that stuff up.
Grandma. Why don't you have this window? Look at that window. And some on the road too. I see some on the road.
Mm-hmm.
Is somebody gonna kill them?
Mm-mm.
I think somebody killed them.
No, they're gonna fly away.
Cause they have wings.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have wings. Cause they look like turkey. What are you looking for?
Food.
Want to get some pizzas? Chicken.
No, they don't eat chicken. They
Beans?
eat seeds and nuts and whatever else is out there.
I like nuts.
Mm-hmm.
But they try to find nuts.
Yeah, they're probably trying to find some nuts and worms or whatever else they eat. I don't know what they eat. I don't even know what kind of bird it is. Whee, look at there. They're going somewhere.
Whoa. So, do you have the backyard? They
There
want to
they
back.
go.